So I'm starting to vlog off outside. See the title of the vlog, you already know Wagwan. So I'm going to say it. Hit the like button. Hit it. Because y'all actually hit the like button last vlog, you know what I'm saying? I told y'all, if you don't hit the like button, you don't read the Bible. And look how many people hit the like button. That means y'all read the Bible. I know that. So, right now, I'm just going to go top up my little travel card. Once I go travel on my travel card. And, you know what I'm saying? I said it backwards. I said, once I go travel my travel card. No, once I go top up my travel card, I'm going to, reach it to the dental appointment and all that stuff. So these little things right here, all these, they gonna go. All these, they gonna go. Okay? Because I'm tired. Lips are dry. I'm tired of. Okay. I know I lived with this for a long time, but hey, I'm able to do it. I was able to do something, just go for it. You know what I'm saying? All right. Okay. What? All right. So I'm in Dublin City Center. Because that's where my dentist appointment is at. I just went to get myself some pretzel, but there's birds everywhere. And there go the police. So yeah, look, literally there's birds everywhere. But I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna go to my dentist appointment now. It's at 2:30. It is currently nowhere near, but on my way. You get what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do this today in hopes that I, get it done. All right, peace out. So I didn't even show you guys how I got in here, but I put these in my shoes. It's kind of quiet in here, so I don't want to make too much noise. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. This is my daddy's. I haven't been here in a long time, so I don't know what to do. I'm not gonna lie, I'm scared. Wait, hold on, someone's coming. I'm joking. I'm freaking out. I don't like the dentist. I don't, bro. I don't like the dentist. Why am I still here? Wait, watch. Hold on. Hold on. So, yeah, these are weird shoe covers I put on. Long story short, you can't help me. To be honest, I ain't even surprised, because my teeth are so far gone that if someone even manages to fix them, they've been blessed, to be very honest. They've been very blessed. How do I? Okay, I think that's how you do it. I think this is it. I don't know how to get out. Hold on. There's no door handle, that's the thing. Put my finger in the door for it. All right, now on to step 2, or objective 2 for today. Yeah. So as the days go on and the time goes by, I'm just chilling, minding my own business. Why does my mask look so disabled? Hold on. I'm also so disabled. Look at my mask. Hold on. Just up in a row. I'm not about to have this. What? What do my muscles look so disabled? Hold on. No, not that way. Oh. My mouth still looks the same, but you know what? I don't care. Yeah. I actually don't know why I turned this on, but I'm just gonna pretty much say I'm going to Stephen's Green. I'm gonna go get some food. Gonna get something to eat. I need to stop looking at myself, start looking at y'all, cause y'all are what make the stars shine. Wait, is that even a good thing to say? I feel like that's a bad thing to say. I don't know. Look. I'm not gonna lie, I'm enjoying this, vlogging. I'm enjoying the vlog. Cause like I don't really care about who watching me. Basically I shouldn't be caring because like, are they the one making my money? Are they? No. So yeah, I'm gonna run into Stephen's Green. Either get something to eat or just buy something real quick. And then yeah, wait for shopping because I gave her my bass guitar for the week so that because she wants to learn the bass guitar. So I gave her my bass guitar for the week. And yeah, she's giving it back to me because tomorrow, another vlog by the way, I'm going for a bit of band practice and then work. Yeah, I'm a working man. 9 to 5, on the way to make a living. So yeah. Huh? Oh, I couldn't record inside of Stephen's Green because like there's music playing in the background. Should I play it? I might as well. Oh, copyright's gonna grab me. Grab me. No, I ain't finna lie to you lot. I've been trying to, think about what I want to get for quite some time. And I've gone with a little Apple product. So she gonna go and get it for me. When she gets it for me, I will do an unboxing when I get home. It is taking up not all of my money, but it's taking up what I got so far. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I say. Thank you. Money. So I'm at the train station because that's where Shopper finna be. Or she's finna be here in a second. She called me a thought on the phone. Like, she called me a hoe. I'm angry. But yeah. I need to go pee. And then she's gonna see her. Anyway. So we made it. Once again, I got my iConnect back. I think that's backwards. Hold on. No, it's still backwards. And then, anyways, so she got to do stuff. Shush.
Hey, I have to
it's my vlog. No, I don't.
You do.
No.
So,
I don't have
hi
to.
guys, it's
No.
me, Shopper, and I'm his friend.
Why do you want to
and
be
he
my
loves
vlog?
me so much.
Why?
And so, yeah, I'll be on socials, I'm a dancer.
See, this is why I don't like. This is why I don't like vlogging because, like, for some reason, everyone wants to be. I'm deleting my account. Junkie. So, wow, I'm like looking at everybody. I don't know why. But yeah, the journey kind of ends. Not here, but like my outdoorsing ends here. I got my bass back. Y'all see it? So my outdoorsing activities end here. I'm taking the bus home now. The bus is coming very soon. I really wanted to unbox it in like outside, but like I want to savor the experience. I want the experience to be special. So when I get home, I'll do the unboxing when I get home, pretty much. Yeah. So bear with me. I'll be home soon. Vlog will be out by the time you see it, because you watched it to this point. And listen, if you haven't liked the button, if you haven't clicked the like button, what's wrong with you? Click the like button. Click it. Click the like button. Click it. It's not gonna bite. But if you don't like it, it's gonna bite you if you don't like it. Alright. Testing my check. 1 2 1 2. If you guys notice, background is looking a bit different. Like the way you see it is a bit different. You know why? Hold on. You know why? Your boy got himself an Apple Watch. You know what I'm saying? Let me come close. Let it focus. There you go. That's the one I got right there. So it's the most up to date one. So we're gonna start off by taking the seal off it. I did zoom in because like there's a bit of dirt there, so it's not it don't really matter. I'm ghetto. Start off by taking out the seal. Let's take out the seal. Oh, that's an experience. That is an experience. And you just remove the rest. As you do. You know what I'm saying? As you do. Throw that to the side. So I'm not gonna lie, I've seen so many unboxing videos of this and I was like, yo, this is like lit. But I want to unbox it for myself and damn. This looks hot. Right? Because I really wanted to see. Oh, by the way, I got the space gray version. Yeah, I showed you that. And I also got myself like a little third-party strap as well. Because like I like to mix it up. I'm not the type of person to keep the same thing over and over again. So yeah. So this is where the watch is in. This is what the watch is in. But I'm not gonna open that yet. I'm gonna open this first. Oh look, another seal. I need to constantly autofocus this. Like this is annoying. Another seal. Oh, wait, how does this seal work? Oh, I pick up the peel. I peel it. This peel right here. Send it that way. Oh, that was actually really smooth. I ain't gonna lie. Pick that up. And this is where I think this is the strap, I believe, is in, right? Oh, look at that. Put that over there. Yeah. Some paperwork that I ain't gonna write. So yeah, okay, so I was okay, this is right. So pretty much there's two of these, right? Two of the ones on this side. So this is the small to medium, this is the medium to large, just depending on your wrist size. My wrist, I don't know. But yeah, that's how it looks like. It shows you how to, put it on, all that stuff, and all the different languages, blah, blah, blah. It's not really that difficult, to be honest, but that's what the watch will be. The watch will be sliding in between this. I just burped, excuse me. All right. Now for the big boy, the watch itself. I'm going to, first of all, focus this because it's actually really big. I'm not going to lie. Pause. And there you go. That's it. This is the watch right here. I'm not going to lie. This is lit. Hold on. You know what? I'll pick it up later. Oh, that's cold to the touch. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. So yeah, take this, throw that there. Look at my, jeez. Put that there, right? Yeah, this is the charger. Now, every time I seen these, like I seen like 1 or 2 unboxing videos, but every time I looked at it, I was like, this whole thing, this white thing here is the charger. Because I kept looking at them. I know this is the paper, but I never seen where the actual charger bit is. But this is where it is. Okay. So this is where the watch will sit. Charge. It's like it's a wireless charger basically. So yeah, you know how chargers go, and it is USB. Oh, I love this. Cause them ones I was afraid if it was like a USB-C, I'd scream. But that's the charger right there. Well, all you need is just a plug or like something that has a USB port. Plug it in. You're good to fly. Good to go. And finally, the watch itself. Like I said, it's cold to the touch. This is the watch. This little packaging. It's pretty lit. Take off peel off the size a bit, and boom, we got it going on. It looked really small, right? Deep it. It's going on my wrist, right here, right about here. It's actually not too bad. I'm not gonna lie. It's not too bad. It actually fits nice on my wrist though, cause like I'm not a type of person to have a chunky watch. You know, this is calm. So I'm gonna put on the straps now, and the way I'm carrying it like it's a baby, bro. This shit's expensive. Like, all right, I'm gonna put the standard one on because I really don't know how my wrist fit it. Oh, these like how Apple packaged this nicely. Like, how that come off is so like elegant, so elegant. So pretty much, depending on how you wear it, I think it's depending on how you wear it, is how you put it on. Oh, let me show you the back as well. This is the back. So this is like the sensor for like the heart beat and blah 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 blah. This is pretty much it. So simple installation. Grab it. See the side piece right there. Just slide that mug right in. Oh, I turned it on. And you do the same the other side. Take that piece, slide that mug right in there. And that's pretty much it. I'm not going to do a setup because like A, I'm not bothered, and B, I'm not bothered. But that's pretty much the Apple Watch there. I'll set it up and then I'll show you. But like, look, it has no battery anyways. But yeah, that's pretty much how you set it up. Put it on my wrist like those. Boom, 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 boom. And yeah. So I got the watch on now. Pretty much how it works is, you know what I'm saying, this is the rise to wake function right here. I don't know if y'all can see that. Hold on. Yeah. So I got to set up everything like those. Yeah, it's actually perfect fit on my wrist. It looks good. It looks nice. I can set up the watch face to be anything, to be honest. So right now, I got to set up like this. I got to set up like this on my wrist. So yeah, I don't know if you saw, because like, you know, it changes, but like, yeah, if you guys did enjoy this vlog, you know how it goes, you know, like hit the like button, punch it, like it, punch it, you know how it go, right? I love each and every one of y'all, all that stuff. Look, if you enjoy this vlog, hit the like button. All right, simple. That's what I'm asking you to do. Hit the subscribe button as well to my post notifications, all that stuff, blah 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 blah. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog, which is probably going to be tomorrow. It's a 50-50, but it depends on me, to be honest. All right, peace. Roll it.